asam ya to yan ni pensians saying helicopter eku wo mo no okọ sa TikTok the red nachi enyom na red nachi asma me boa asma make mu dia hin pa na me boa
all these things shede eba no. Now I want to ask a simple question. Abranti we why MPP for den Ashanti regional minister na Branti why mo den na why mo e den pa na Ashanti regional minister na why Ashanti for no mu bi why mo den eh enen ka Branti we den ka ma me ba ya hunani ti se me den ka motini ti moku na to atwene e den pa na Ashanti regional minister na aye Ashanti man ye nyina ya de hye otumfo na nano no Asantini mapa in and out. Abrantia ya mudain to say, den why ya mobese, de is some ya de mobese muchanesu. And as a mopedian mopedian. Mudi diaman TikTok dian Mosuna Mugu Kumasia mo MPs. War TikTok ashawofwe. Inti Ashanti regional minister pa onya mudain. Sampai kominsenino yeso kotna radio so.
Na TikTok is the gumu. Oh, no, you cry so if you are not trying to know, I can't get them. And then be or not, never a bear of fin a yaqui. As some ya 2 ya, ni pensians saying helicopter a cool woman. All cause as you TikTok the red nachi. And no landed nachi. As my bois, as my make a mood gang pa na me bois. Emu de hena me boa Dabio obi na bisa nura na
omnyina nsi otumfo na nanu
enura na we ya mene nku yo enura na you mind kwabra Ashanti ebisa me se owo ho enam so owo ho na me hu ne TikTok enura se na se enam so me ho na me hu no enura se ni pe so ye adwuma na me se dia no waye on kan it spectacular o so be ye region za waye asam no anu no and I know my muso awadan boys no makosi say why airport run about to akotu to airport tools we airport run about in na tifona or the other to social media say me ya no na yes be wada just airport tool or see a hundred run about to Santasi or your dualization na make me my document on my phone right now no I heard that project no the Saturday Hundman Jaka project affected persons in engagement. Woman, I did everything as the mayor then. The only place Anaka, I say best time for the release of the money because of election. Any pressure, no, I'm my answer.
Sampai, he looks very sick, pal. Anna, the number born to. Okay, any match why Yarepa new inside be born fucking Sampai. Oh dear, a young woman say Sampai. Also, Casano, I endra a Comna Santine Busame. Sampai echo. Asempa no on said the journalist there no asempa for no sa Ozempic Komna Asante no a soundbite no mu they know for a fact to say sa akwa petition we are ne number bon he does not like Ashanti regional minister no time asempa akwa asempa no the conversation wasn't about the Ashanti regional minister. So a journalist in your first conversation or your questions, no, you are not even supposed to ask the guy, say, now, when was Ashanti regional minister? No, now, so what's our general? You are creating some kind of tension because you know, say, Nipa Sampai will consistently, every time he gets the opportunity, so did Branti we at him. In this Waba Sampa, no be grant interviewer. Why do you start your interview with when Ashanti regional minister? No, now what to say? What you want to do, and say, they look out for people who are not at good terms with people. On Bekasa Etian Kofo. Now they are tina Oma Sempa. No more travel to pages. So that is the stupidity of some of our journalists in Ghana. It's on. Okwa Sempendrano and Omahini Ozempic. Estatis Ankwasi Ankomono and Okodi Abrante Natem. Now the reason why until we na a time Abrante winning say they feel say Yani Yini Yanuma Petishia check ya bon sa check Yanumu bon. Yare wa ho adentina wa brante oba ye no edwuma no yesi ano o ye the different way ya hu bi da enti e tan abrante we konya santini ba kom ka se infantini aboa onko ni krom se konya santini ba kom ka se ahunani aboa onko ni krom we anko ya mixed tribe crack kekra anko mo twema no abrante we se anko ya mixed tribe enka ne mama ya santini ena ne papa ya infantini anko mo twema no se enka ne papa ya santini ena ne mama ya ahunani anko mo twema no. Right now, no, omunim di omunye. Edwuma na abrantie na ebo. I'm sorry, or a TikTok minister. Mo MP and a tia santimem no akọ TikTok prostitute no. Ono de some so a TikTok minister, ono na yiri mpo na esa. Na omo ware TikTok prostitutes or Facebook no, any TikTok no. Mo ja omo asem ba beka Ashanti regional minister, mo boda mo hu. Abrantie we oginem. Onko bebia obechichira Asante. No foolish old person. So we na wenyi ni China, bro, once na tap ne nyansa ne bi. Na fa chichira Asante. Men kan kire say, una onuma petesi ache, una wonu bon, into won tiase e na small boy we. Small boy woni nyansa che mumu bebre amoti Asante memu. Ah, ya de adwuma hye musima montuma anye. Wo sampan wo ti we, ya tamo ba bro china bro do to machine ase a. Ebe ne wan poso da ho tiase. Wo yare bon ho. Ne number bon fucking okasa hu. So we use wo. Enkwasi akeka papa mpenifo a moti Asante memu. Abranti aba na osesa mabrabo amamo. O change nyoma amamo. Ama nyoma koye ya. Mo pesa mo tag no. Obi ani Asante memu betume slow this gentleman down. He's delivering. And the young people are able to relate to him. Mona muji 2 minutes ko yie kwasi afo. Muji 2 minutes ko di ajantrafo. Muji 2 minutes ko hunu ankofo. O say 2 minutes on fantata obia. Over 2 minutes, and for Unubia, or say 2 minutes, he's sharing with the people. It was on the camera now, or saw the phone now. He speaks to human beings. Oh, Sampine, also TikTok, and also Facebook. Now, Brante was on it there. So many people listen to him on his platform than you because people don't think so. Nyanse bi obeka sem papa bia asesan bibia. Enti asramo. Munja no onye le dwuma. Na ono se otumfo na na. Sebio akomba obekwa ma Asante. Sebio ono so Asantini a odi mokodi nchine na wo no. Obi antumi ntata no mo bodam. Onko baby obeginem. Obebo adwuma no and adwuma wa ye no for 20 to 30 years ye hu se obi aba abe regional minister wa ye adwuma abrante we ye bi da. Abrante we ye do no ye som no. Wega sibi yesum sika kokko no eba politics mu a ye som no. Or your political god e wa santimemu. Wa sesa santiman. And the Ashanti regional minister, Ashanti regional minister, to call Abrochi, no Abrofu Dinko, Monquasia Munya, and number the Numpito. Moko Abrocha, Mushasha Bronx, Muntuni Brodin Dinkomo. Yadi regional minister, Mamma, Edime, your mamma, Mutuka Abrocha, Massachusetts, to say Massachusetts. Namusha Bonk, Mukasia for Munum can mobile Muntuni Abrofu Dinkomo. Abrante Wako Skunia Abrofu Dinkomo to Chunkomo. Obia Santimemu, Otebrofo, Otekasa, Nanoswati. Ena nipa obunipa mompe obi owa people onim nyansa te so no no momfa ne mra ejimifo yedem oman ne hyemonsa Asanteman hyemonsa enkwase yie na mode koye Ashanti regional minister former Ashanti regional minister enkwase ade a oyeye ne yebusa no odidi ntafo atem enkwasiafo
sa akamba ye oye sa yi beto platform so no akamba me kam wati Islamfo money Rollins na sha memuase since 1981 to 2001. Entafo no mo Ghana de pa na mo ye Islamfo no. Entafo sika ye free Rollins time. Woni Muslimfo ya na esan. Anye bi Islamfo se na de akonwa na mienu. Liman ene Mahama. Omu di akonwa de no mo chema ya Ajabe Mahama tibi ye Islam wo. O akamba akwosire wakodina okuro muslimu okuro muslimu yanka o se waya jaji nka mo kankran sebi ntafo no fani munyansa munya sika mabakasa out mumfa dichiri bukuro na mo sole okuro ma tantantai islemfo amaba out nyina se ne ko bukuro akọ pese o secretary di o se organizer dia a school for no gina na yenya baby na efiri titi islemfo no apart from the woman for no move sisi adam papa no and for the sisi adam papa bi amu jira banyo entafo se na di Ghana konwa mahama bedi mfie na no sika we on fa mo asum me nsa ni nyina no mahama mfa sika no anka se on fa ko si hotel Dubai en confirm ne ade nya se tuko sika di ma se on fa mo asum no the whole Ghana ye japade ye nya ne se fo na dis kana boa mo mo shamfo na mo titi sire mo ho no Asante Mfante ayo dokoko ene bro dokoko no Asante for masa ne mom scholarship listen for man kwada mo school free na na Dubai na why said no sisi interest obi atimi ko bi
former Ashanti regional minister na Asantini no Penyin Toto Jimmy for always be an okasa bo hu anka bibia nkyere no. Ashanti regional minister busam question kitwe bi say monka de moyama Asanteman eno so ye ntokwa. Monka de moyama Ghana ne Asanteman a eno so ntokwa wom. O say moya Asantefo na musoma be di MPP so da wate. Ono so Asantini. Mo MPP mu wate. You are in a limited liability company wate. O say monka de moye. Na Ghana fo nyina hu de moyama Asante ono so ya Asantini a eno atane adane atemdidie eno e TikTok. Na mo kura bo mo MP say ware TikTok jantra fo kura yenka hwe. At least amwako hine onko TikTok so ko ware jantre ni. Mukura mo MPs go Asanteman mu a omonam TikToks epe TikTok jantrafo ayo asho mo kawa kura yenka bibia. Inti Branton wa yamoden. Hwe yebusa mo say edien na MPP ayo wa Asanteman mu. Monhwe kokuo we hwe na we mu nyina nenam kokuo ase na osue ni penam awe. O penam egu ne duane so yenya bi muntie no.
Okoba bia. Regional minister kasa kese miensa na di nachi. Ba ko TikTokers ene gumuo. Ena ba ko so ni photographers. Ena egumuo. Oti ase. Ena ba ko so eye macho manfo. Ena eguna ede ebe nko anu wo gi wo wiase. Oti ase. Obia bisa wasem. Se de ebe ne waye. A wo se wuyi ano na ukika eniema a watima ya. Wo sa be to question na mayen se. Yen ka de yaye. Yen ye wa ba mu. Yen ye wa ba mu. Onima ye ka kire no. Akufo-Addo time between 2017 and 2018 no the free education aba. Me sure so no kra ma akohinu no oko free education ni bi. Eti oye beneficiary of free education. Me keka so what throw back am I enti me keka kire no. Eniema wo bisa no. Me keka kire no. What you say? Me see between 2017 and 2018 no. Na President Akufo-Addo what the free education aba of which amako hine wo ka ho bi. Oye beneficiary of free education. It won't mean ka say won ka ho.
Wakata be 3 minutes. Free education go na waka we penguin no nenam koku ase. Na osuani epa abibie opa adoa ekuoma tonkwa so na we mu nenam koku ase say demonstration. Ya de mic ama o se kasa kire de waye. Hwe de nim. Hwe na nim. De nim se ta koku ase ta. Yedi twi ayubo ma enwo ehi. Na nim se koku ase ta. Yesi dia na waye ama Asantefo a e na free SHS ka ozo keka. Kwasiafo no mde MPP echi. Uka omanima na eyo mo ya no madani nkura. Ye de born ama o se mo amonka o se wato question ama na konkotoma wona. Amako hine konkoto question ma wona. Wato ama mo anga se mo answer. E de na maye. Free SHS 2018 yate e na de ebiem. Na akwa nam koku as na osuani penamawe. Osuani peso ye nkwan. Na enam gumu doso na pengu we nam koku as keka nkwase asam. Wey. Wey. Na when you beji to me, when you beji to me. Na wonji to me kura ye funu pai, na obeji to me. Wonji to me kura ye nya ho atade ma won hye, o pe to me. Mo boda mo hu. Unya tumi kurampo no oto pai wo unya tumi no oto pai na ubenya tumi ene so unya tumi dia na etiate enti you see these are some of the things Amwako needs to do his job. He should ignore them or keep on asking them the questions, keep on posing the questions to them, keep on posing the question to Bawumia. It is a kodu. Don't let them intimidate you, and I like the way you are handling them. Watch us how you're crutching your pa. Watch us say watch us when you be we are Santinia when you ate. Sebio watch us wo sebio we dimokwe dinchine. Sebio watch us o priority enye ye ubekwe ye so enye na o priority. Watch us sebio enye de enye bosremuka enye atro. Watch us we are Santini different. Into young ones no mo ba no. MPP nyan a limited liability commodities and I'm Ghana. You have to question Mamma, Monanam Cocoa say, yeah, and a coup for the free SHS by or dying. Some pine, one no petition what Santasin, Nenimina Unimpo, Una no Nessia good in Mumpo. Utum said, no bon, Utum so Yare, some pine. Yare one whom Yare Jarano. Muda. Hey, would you move him dear bar? Quasia for your mamma to me, Mojimi, we are friend of Mobetram say, Yentiamo. More bottom. This man is one of the most exceptional regional ministers are Ghana in a long time, and we will protect him. Osa free her, they are so to be the president. You are preparing for the next 16 years stay. They are so to be the president. Ashanti no be the president. The who born president time. I president of Doctor Society. I had. I'm going here. President of Sani Bobo. I'm going here. Oh boy. Yeah, prepare now in the next 16, 20 years. No, yeah, you know, I didn't be president. When your presidential material, Munson Muye, more kwasi can kwasi yourself. I was going in. Doing it. I'm wakwe di wohine. Di wohine, I'm wakwe me see di wohine. Me try mama what me brothers ame. We dey better worship amount. I'm wakwe di wohine. Yaba mwako onyame say di wohine. Yani worship yet be twa bibia. I'm wakwe di wohine. Na onyame beto ne nsem. Edabreku di wo hini o di wo hini eyo nyame na dom na wo so amuakwe bia weni na onyame beye against nsam kikain entu mimbu abem amuakwe onyame se di wo hini we be born worship ewo endwadifo no mko Bukina no mkofa tomatoes ne ba na homache ye nyanhye wie no mu dema ne bebo pem amwako ma weni doson worship nyina wom di wo hini o di wo hini amwako e di wo hini onyame ensa wo mu many brothers ame amwako di wo hini o di wo hini worship amwakwe di wo hini yo di wo hini adum nyamie densa da uswe di ebeye ya masante man dam recommend amwakon di wo hini yo di wo hini ye twa ma wi amwakon ene fa no amwakwe di wo hini yo di wo hini Atoyen sem name MPP mwei diomo beye enyina enya de be siye amwakwe di wo hini o di wo hini amwakwe di wo hini o di wo hini worship papa diomo beye diomo beka ene de fa ohun o ye mfita amwakwe di wo hini. Let's go for a quick commercial break.
We are going for a quick commercial break, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. We are going for a quick commercial break, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. We are going for a quick commercial break, so stay tuned. We'll be right back.
We are back, and thank you very much for staying. You're still live on Loud Silence TV. Hey, about 9:33. Yanka sem krabako di wo hene. Onhwa koda oboda na mafra wa ha. Menji usika. MSA. Onhwa koda. All right, mommy and cat at the front. Me bo worship, me bo praises, me ni organ bo, and I'm a sabo drums, and I'm a backup vocalist Basha Tawali, and I'm a sudden remix. A dear part of me was as so. Me try mo kwa me nsa, me fan to abontin se obi mpon kohwe ma miska because I'm a millionaire musician.
The MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,